Hi you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Suhani. If you're new here, I make content related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and I live in Goa. We have officially entered the sale season and I love when it approaches December. I love winters. Nika sale is live from yesterday, and first I thought that I won't be making any kind of video related to beauty because there are so many out there, but then I couldn't resist some of the products. Today I'm going to be sharing my favorite from skincare, makeup, hair care, body care, and also a few of the fragrances. If you want to know more, please keep on watching. Another thing, sales can be a little overwhelming, and trust me, you do not need every product that is on sale. That's the first thing I want to put out there. In today's video also, I'm going to be sharing only like 2 or 3 products that has worked the best for me from every category that I'm going to be talking about. This year has been like a truly transformative year for me because I think I started doing a lot of healthy things like eating wise and concentrating very less on like the outer layer. But still, one of the favorite thing that turned out from skincare has to be this bottle of toner. Little bit is left has been my go-to product. It's so light and I think I've talked about it in so many of my short form videos. Work like magic. It's perfect for sensitive skin because I do have sensitive skin and this did not irritate my skin. It was very light, water like texture, which I absolutely love. And this, I tell you, last you for quite a long time because I think I don't even remember where I have used this so much and still it wasn't getting over. I've been using this duo, like the face wash. This worked like magic for me. It is in the same range, so maybe that is why it complemented great together. It's niacinamide and rice water range, which Plum has launched, and I think this is the best selling combo too. So yeah, you can give this a shot. Next thing is also a combo. It's a toner and a moisturizer. This is the Face Shop's rice water toner. It's a duo. I got the mini version, but still I'm using this for quite a while now and it doesn't get over. This is also on a huge discount right now. This one is bit thicker in consistency while this one is very water-like texture, and I also love the spray. And the moisturizer is very creamy, very lightweight, non-sticky, which is the best part, and I think it's going to work wonders in the winter. I am not a big girl on foundation things, but I got this product recently and I am not able to keep it down. Currently also I'm wearing this. This is a magic in a bottle. Like, I don't know what y'all did with this one, L'Oreal, but y'all nailed it. It's literally very hard to decide your shade online. And I just went on ChatGPT. I uploaded my bare skin photo and I asked ChatGPT from this range which shade will suit me, and then it gave me 2 options and that wasn't available, so I had to go for this one. But this also works well. I think it blends into your skin like magic. It melts like butter. I think I have all the good things to talk about. So if you want to splurge your money on anything from my recommendations, go for this one. If you like serumi texture foundation, very lightweight, this is not very high on coverage. Skin like makeup, this is like the perfect base that you're gonna need. The packaging is gone because I have been using this quite a while, I would say. This is in the shade Sun Beige. Next is the water tint that I really love. Of course, it's from the Etude House. This is in the shade Grapefruit and this stays there. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere. Pop of color that you'll see is this little baby. You have to work as soon as you apply it, otherwise it's going to stay there and give you patches. Actually, a bunch of lipsticks from pink to nude to brown to red lip. I have all of it. So let's begin with lipstick recommendations. In the Chocolate Temptation by Lakme, I think I've spoken about it also. It's a beautiful brown tone, chocolatey brown tone. I love the formulation. Is it has that velvety texture which just smoothens out your lip lines also, but this does transfer. But I am okay with that because the shade is very pretty. Search for minis first. If I really like all of the mini versions, then I go and get the bigger bottles. Then Maybelline Lip Plum. A little warning, it burns a little when you apply it first, but right now also I'm having the same thing. on my lips, and it's really beautiful once it settles on your lips. And this is the only lipstick that I feel is transfer proof, waterproof, stays there without making your lips feel chappy. They have some of the beautiful shades in this. I am having major crush in the same variant and I love this one. I said it before that I love Kiro as a beauty brand. How it looks, it's in the shade Sandy Rose. Also, it's very light on the fragrance, which is a very big thing for me. Very nice on the lips, it settles down and also leaves like a beautiful color on the lips. So I would highly recommend this, and they have variety of shades in this one. They are lip plumping, and this is in the shade Worth It. I have talked about it earlier. It's really nice formulation. It doesn't let your lips feel sticky. It does not essentially make your lips look very plump or fuller, but it is a really pretty shade to have. It's like a lip gloss. So this also tingles a little, but not as much as the Maybelline one that is a little fiery. NYX, back in the days, I used to have and I used to love one of their shades from the same range. In the shade, I believe Copenhagen, something like that. I will pop the shade here, but very muted pink. And this fragrance is the same as it was for that particular shade. But again, this is not transfer proof or waterproof. It will transfer. Keep these things in mind. Two red lipsticks. One is from the Fay Beauty and the other, the classic Ruby Woo. And the big smile on my face. I can tell you all how much I love this tiny lipstick. It's tiny, but this was in my wish list for so long, and these are pretty expensive, and owning a MAC lipstick was quite a thing for me, and now that I have it, I just cannot stop using it. I mean, who doesn't know what a Ruby Woo looks like? It's a perfect shade and it just brightens your face. I've applied it without any makeup, just this. Bomb. I just love it. I love the formulation on this one actually, the Lip Whip range, and I'm planning to get another color. I think that color is called Straw. I think we should talk about hair care first. Hair oil, rosemary, lavender, healthy hair oil. The things that I love about this one, that it's non-sticky. It has the beautiful fragrance, the soothing fragrance, which I love. Now I am someone who has like frizzy hair, scalp get oily very fast, so that was my concern. Now I've been finding a shampoo which also cleans my scalp without making my hair dry. That's been quite a journey. All the other cleansing shampoo, but they have ended up making my hair very dry, which I did not like. I mean, who would like that? So by Plum, it cleans my scalp without making my hair looks frizzy and also dry. This is a steal deal. I got it randomly actually, like a random purchase, but coconutty fragrance which does smell like a baby shampoo, which I love. I love baby care fragrances. My favorite hair mask. If you know me, you know what I'm talking about. It is by Dove. Also, this is my second bottle, but now recently I got the bigger bottle, which is in different variant, Shine and Revive. Look, this is so big, and I'm telling you all, this lasts so long. But now I got it bigger tub. It's going to be there for a while, and I've used it. It smells second band of the wedding. It smells divine. I mean, it's like a spa therapy. Had like hair spa before, and I think I love this one better. Love. If you are hearing this, let's collaborate on this one. I love your product. I have one more product to show it to you guys, which is my absolute favorite. So this particular serum, you have to shake it before you apply it, and then it mixes together. It's called Peptide Bond Strength. For me, above all of that, it smells again divine, heavenly. Oh my god, it's like a hair perfume. It's like a hair perfume. I love it. The mist is so fine. I cannot stop using this. Hands down the best hair care product that I have. Some of the body care things, I'm someone who has like a body acne and it's quite irritating, and then I got this one. Now you have to use this religiously, then only you're going to see some results. Y'all can see already that I have almost finished. It's just here. It has small particles which really exfoliates your body and also doesn't make your body feel dry. So that's the best part about it. So this one, is a big yay. You know that I love Dove's body wash in the vanilla variant. So yeah, you can also go and check that out. I have that still. The bigger bottle is going to last you for a while. But apart from that, if you want to splurge on like expensive, good smelling body wash, hands down go for Bath and Body Works. I'm not going to recommend the mist because I've realized that they do not stay there for quite a while, but considering the body wash thing, it does stay there. You can still feel and smell the fragrance on your clothes. So you get out of the shower, the bathroom feels so heavenly. I love it. And this one is currently out of stock. I just checked on Nykaa, it's out of stock, but other you can try the other variants. It also lathers very well on the skin, creates a lot of foam, which I absolutely love. I have again by Plum, very light. It's in the marshmallow melt body lotion, makes your skin super soft, and also it smells great. So now you all know that I love Plum fragrances. It's their Moonkissed Drama, but this feels really good. I mean, I'm someone who doesn't like heavy fragrances, but this is very musky and very gentle, very subtle. Oso Pistachio. Now, the thing with Oso Pistachio is that at the start, I did not enjoy this, as I said before. So, it takes its sweet little time to settle on your body and on your clothes, and then it starts to give you that nutty, hazelnutty finish. So, I would highly recommend this one if you love that sweet note. I got the mini bottles because it becomes so good if you are traveling. One is always in my bag. I love this one more than the smoking vanilla. I love how this settles and leaves you feeling like a cupcake, like literally. And with that, we have come towards the end of this video. These are all tried and tested by me. Splurge your money where it's worth it. That's the only thing that I'm going to say. If you have enjoyed watching the video till here, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a brown heart in the comments below and tell me your favorite pick from Nykaa Pink sale that I should try. Let's meet over Instagram. Also, subscribe to my channel if you all haven't already. I mean, what are you waiting for? And I'll see you soon in the next video very soon. Until then.